Hi folks, Tim here again from High-End Cheap Tech, and I'm here to talk about when you see some of my older videos, they had a little edge at each side here. That's because my OBS Studio, when I do screen captures, reduces everything to 1152 by 720. It's just due to the monitor I own, which is a 1400 by 900 ancient Dell. Anyone wants to send me a new monitor to test it? 1920 by 1080, I'm all for it. I'll get it back to you in about 10 years. But seriously. So I went to Openshot last night and I was doing my little awards thing, which was overly long. I apologize. But, bottom line. I wanted to get at least the full 1280. So at 2 in the morning I started learning. I looked at a few videos, and I wasn't about to sit there and watch videos all night, because most of them, they'll teach you 3 or 4 or 5 things, but none of them really had a good way of doing the video thing. I figured it out. So, that being said, let's get right to it and I'll show you how I did it in Openshot. Intro, please. So what I've done, folks, is kind of put a couple of things over here on the timeline already. A couple of background images. I created these in the GIMP, graphics image manipulation program. It's free. Just look for it. I think I've done a video on it. If I can find it, I'll link it in the corners at the very end. First one, of course, has high-end cheap tech. Whatever. This is just to widen it out because the video is a little too small to fill up that whole 720 or the 1280 width. So that gives you 128. That's 64, 64. We get over here in this area. And there goes my phone. And I got a couple of daytime, and that's a sunset picture. You can't really tell. But you could change colors. You could put messages there. You could even make something scroll up and down. All you gotta do is make the size of your actual video, which in my case is 1152 by 720, transparent. Pretty easy. Then you get out your calculator and figure out how many pixels you're going to have on each side. The video will show right through. I am going to be pasting this video into here in just 1 second. Let's shoot a little bit here.
You're in business, and that leads us on to the next thing.
Yeah, this was my Christmas list video.
Built-in speakers.
Just me talking.
Just your basic.
So we're gonna just throw that up there for a second.
Refresh rate. 8837. I mean, seriously, folks. Well, actually, that's not the one I wanted. Well, that would do. I think there's one for a little higher.
Well, whatever. But let's just go back to my channel here. And because I can show copyrighted info of my own stuff. Oh, yeah. Without having to worry about copyrights. So, yeah, here.
All right, folks, Tim here. Special editions, anyway.
So here we
is
have,
just to point out.
you know.
Boom, there's one. Mr. Who's the Boss. Unbox therapy.
This is going to go on and on.
Same thing.
This will all be tucked into
Roughly an hour.
the video below. As a matter of fact, I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit Shift and 1. And we're done. Or no, it's Shift. So to create those background images, you're going to create a PNG file. I guess you could use a JPEG too. I set mine to 64 by 720. Now, in the case where I wrote some text on it, I first set them, horizontal, posted a new layer, wrote my text in, rotated it. Very simple. You can get the GIMP at gimp.org. It's free. It'll do damn near anything Photoshop will. And it's free. Did I mention it was free? Okay. So, we're going to just close out of that and poof, it's gone. Alright, and then if we go back into Openshot, we're going to lay these on the timeline. And you're going to see some nice multicolored stuff coming up. You're already seeing it, because by the time you're seeing this, I've already put it on the timeline and I've processed the video. So we'll go with that, and I'll start out with the 2 different views, and then when this section comes up, well, you already know, you're going to see rapidly changing lights, because I'm going to make them real short, real short, real short. So the colors will appear to be switching, kind of like Christmassy colors. Whatever. That's all I got for tonight. Thanks for watching, folks.